Hey guys, so my name's Amanda and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing like a really easy, fresh makeup tutorial. And so the first thing I'm going to do is just tell you a little bit about my skin, obviously, since this is my first video. My skin is combination to dry, and it has dry patches in some places and gets really dry, like around my nose and like on my chin. So I don't really like to wear a lot of makeup because I feel like when I wear makeup or like foundation or put like a lot of foundation and concealer over it, it makes it look worse. And my skin's not really too red, it's more dry. So when I put makeup on it, it looks even more dry. So I just totally skip foundation and I go right into the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Powder Foundation. And I just take that with a brush. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild angled brush, and I'm just gonna put that on my chin, right here, on my forehead, on the eye, on my other side. Basically just all over my face, just to even out my skin tone. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrows. So to fill in my eyebrows, I use the Naked palette, the original. I used to use a brush with a pencil tip, and I used that for a long time, but I just found that it made my eyebrows look like not too natural because my eyebrows are pretty thin. So when I use a pencil, they can look a little bushy and just not natural, and I really like natural makeup. So then I'm going to take an angled brush, and all I did was just comb my eyebrows up, and I'm going to go into the color Buck, and I'm looking at a mirror over here. So then I'm just going to do little strokes in the front going up to mimic like the other hairs, and then I'm just going to fill them in with the shadow to make them look thicker and like hair, but I'm not gonna really like shape them or anything because, to be honest with you, I don't really know like the shape of my eyebrows. I don't even know how to fill them in. Every single time I try to make them look like defined or like eyebrows that like everybody else like has, they look so bad. So I just can't even like attempt to do that. I just do what works for me, and that's this. So then all I do is I just pick up some more of the shadow and I draw like a line from the top to like the middle just to make that part like defined. And then that's it. I just fill it in like that. So as you can see, it doesn't really do much except like fill it in because my eyebrows are thin, like I said. And then I just do the same thing to the other one. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go over it with the same brush and just comb them up again. And then I'm gonna take, from like a million years ago, the Maybelline Grey Lash Clear Mascara, and I'm just gonna comb them up. Okay. Then I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild contouring palette in Dulce de Leche, and mine's a little bit broken, so like I can't really show you it. But I'm just going to take like the same brush, but a different one. That same contouring brush from Wet n Wild. And I'm just gonna dip into that. Like I just said, mine's a little broken. And I'm just gonna lightly contour, but I'm not really contouring. I'm kind of just like bronzing. Just on my cheeks. As you can see again, it doesn't really do much. And I just bring it up my temple as well. And I just pick up a little bit more. And I go right here. Okay. Now, I'm just going to take a different Wet n Wild brush from the same collection. It's just like a flat brush. I'm actually going to dip into Virgin, the eyeshadow in the Naked palette. A lot of people wouldn't expect this. It is such a pretty highlight. I have other highlights, but I love how this looks. And I'm just gonna put that right on the top of my cheek. Yeah, poke myself in the eye with it. I'm literally just gonna put that on my cheekbones. Don't say I didn't tell you. Okay. Now I'm gonna do the other one. That looks so pretty. Okay. Then I'm gonna put some on my nose. Oh my god. Alright, here we go. My chin. And also like right above my eyebrow. A bit. Then I'm going to take it, the same Virgin, on an eyeshadow brush, the one that's in the palette, and I'm gonna put that right under my brow bone. So it's like really glowy, really fresh, like I said, like a no makeup, like makeup look kinda. Just blending that right under my brow bone. And then just on my lid, just to like have something on it, I'm gonna take like an eyeshadow brush. There's just like a random blending one. I don't even know where it's from because the label ripped off. And I'm just gonna go into Naked in the palette, and I'm just gonna put that like all over my crease and kind of like on my lid. Just because it's like super light and it like has like color but covers it up. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with mascara. To be honest with you, I don't even like this mascara at all. Well, actually that was a lie, I just lied. Sorry. I like it now. I didn't like it when I bought it because when I bought it, it was so clumpy, I couldn't use it at all. Maybe I should tell you what it is, right? It's the Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. It honestly sucked when I first got it. I really didn't like it at all. So I let it like dry up a little bit. And then I liked it. Well, I didn't really like love it, but like I like it more while it dries up. I also really like the L'Oreal like telescopic mascara. I forget like what it's called. I know it's like one of those. So forgive me for whichever one I said that sounded stupid. I really like that mascara. I think I'm gonna go get another one because I really like it. The wand is so, oh my gosh. I just got that under my eye. The wand is so thin. So I'm just gonna keep doing that. And it's so weird, guys. Literally, I do my right eye with my right hand and my left eye with my left hand. I don't know why, but I'm ambidextrous with that. Isn't that cool? Oh. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my bottom lashes. I know I have a huge pimple right there, but don't worry about it. That one looks like I have like two. Okay, so now for my lips, I'm gonna take the Essence Soft Contouring Lip Liner in number 8, Big Proposal. And I'm just gonna line like the clear line underneath my lip, but only like right here. See, right there. That's it. Just to give the illusion that like my lip is that big, but it's really not. And then I'm gonna do the same thing on the top, but like only right here. And I'm trying to blend it with my face. And I kind of like make my cupids like disappear. Okay. Now, I'm going to use 2 lipsticks. I look like I'm like obsessed with the brand Essence. I'm not. I don't know why I have so many products. I'm just realizing this. I'm going to use 2 lipsticks from them, and they are both the long-lasting lipsticks, like the brand. And the first I'm going to be using is in long-lasting. Wait. No. They're long-lasting lipstick. I'm going to be using the color 7. And I'm just going to put that on the outside. Okay. Then I'm going to use the other one in Nude Love, number 11. And I'm going to put that in the middle. And then, to make it like not so matte, I'm going to be using one of the Victoria's Secret lip glosses in Strawberry. Just to make my lips look wet. And then that's it. So this is the finished makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy it and recreate it and you like it. And hopefully you like my channel and all the videos that I'll be putting out. So make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Bye guys.